So good afternoon students. Today I discuss about the topic integration, which is integrals, class 12 mathematics in part 2, textbook 2 you can see. So I am just going to give certain introduction on integrals topics, which is in class 12 standard mathematics. So try to concentrate. So what is that? So I am just giving a very simple way how to find out the integration of a function. In a very simple way I am just going to discuss this concept. Now I am just taking a function and differentiating. Now please tell me, what is the derivative of x square? As you know, the derivative of x square is 2x. I will just write some functions and their derivatives. And the derivative of x square plus 1, what is that? 2x. If it is derivative of x square plus 3, the derivative of x square plus 3 is also 2x. If it is derivative of x square plus c, where c is a real number and it is a real constant. So what is derivative of x square plus c? Which is 2x. Do you find out a pattern here? For all these functions, the same derivative exists. That means if I consider this 2x is derivative of x square plus c. The 2x is the derivative of x square plus c. So if I take 2x is the derivative of x square plus c in a reverse way, in the reverse process of differentiation, we just say that x square plus c is antiderivative or integral of 2x. X square plus c is called antiderivative or integral of 2x. We just say like that. Similar way, if you take one more example, what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So cos x is the derivative of sin x. It is not only derivative of sin x. If you take any function, any sin x plus any constant, because derivative is also cos x. So this time you say cos x is the antiderivative of sin x plus c, and cos x is what? Antiderivative of sin x plus c. Also we see cos x is integral of sin x plus c. So just we denote this notation. We use the notation here, which is c. Integration. This is the symbol integral sign. What is this? Integral of. We just read this one as integral of 2x with respect to what variable we are doing integration, which is with respect to x. So it is dx. So dx is equal to, we can write it as x square plus c. Carefully look at this. Integration of 2x into dx is x square plus c. Similar way, if it is integration of cos x into dx, I can write this one as sin x plus c. Sin x plus, because when I do differentiation of sin x plus c, I get cos x. When I do differentiation of x square plus c, I get 2x. So that is the difference, integration. Now, very simple way I just explain why this concept has come like this in a graphical way. Try to understand. See, I just draw y is equal to x square, y is equal to x square plus 2, y is equal to x square plus 4. All these three graphs. Look, this is y is equal to x square graph. Y is equal to x square plus 2. This is 2. Y is equal to x square plus 4. Y is equal to x square plus 4. See. First. Y is equal to x square plus 4. So, at any point if you draw a tangent for all these functions, dy by dx you find out. Same dy by dx are you getting or not? It is equal to 2x. So the lines, the tangents, if you see, the tangents are parallel to each other. When tangents are parallel, their slopes are equal. Slope of a tangent treated with dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2x. It is same. And also the x coordinate of this all will be same. At x is equal to some x1. If you find out, you will get same slope. So that's why the 2x is called the derivative of one of these three functions or many functions. You can take x square plus c. Right? This is graphically I can explain. So at any point x is equal to x1, if you draw the tangents for this series of curves, only this kind of curves, you get this tangents are parallel. When the tangents are parallel, the dy by dx will be same. And the dy by dx means what? The slope of the tangent at the particular point, it is same. Okay. Next. Then, what do you understand here? The 2x is antiderivative of 2x is the derivative of x square plus c is the function. So, in a reverse way, x square plus c is called antiderivative of 2x or integral of 2x. So, that's the reason we write integration of 2x into dx is equal to x square plus c. So, this is a problem actually. This is a problem. So that means every time we do not find out by inspection 2x is the derivative of what function like that. But we will have to follow certain process, certain formula we will have to remember in this during finding the process of integrals. Process of finding integrals, we have to remember certain formula also. So before that, try to remember. If I take integral of f of x into dx is equal to f of x into dx is equal to some capital F of x plus c. Certain terminology you should know. How to read this one first. I am reading it, you are remembering it. I am reading it, just listen carefully. It can be read it as integral of f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c. Integral of f of x into dx. Now the meaning I explain. So we are doing process of finding integral of the function f of x. Okay, so that means f of x is the integral of f of x. That means what? This is called the sign of integral. This is integral sign. We can read it as integral of, and this is called integrand. What is this? Integrand. What is the meaning of integrand? What is the meaning of integrand? Integrand means the function which we are going to integrate. The function which we are going to integrate. That is for the function which we are going to find the integral. And this dx, in this dx means that we are doing the process with respect to the variable x. So this x is called variable of integration. What is this x? Variable of integration. Sometimes the function is in terms of y. We do integrate with respect to y, like dx by dy. Sometimes the function is in terms of t. We integrate with respect to t. That time we use dt instead of dx. Same way like parametric differentiation. Right? Now, and this f of x is called integral. Integral is a noun. Integral. And this c is called constant in integration. This c is called constant in integration. This terminology is needed to be remembered by you. Okay, these are the terms which you use in integration. Process of finding integral. What is the meaning of integration? Integration means the process of finding integral. What is the meaning of integral? Integral is a noun. It is a function which we are going to find out. Which we are going to find out the integral of f of x. So what is f of x? Integrand. This is the terminology, right? Next, what is the next thing? Certain formulas are there to remember. See, when I just give you the formula, series of some formula, basic formulas of integration I write. Then you try to remember those formula. The basic formula of integration will be written here. So try to remember how to know how to convince ourselves those formulas are only we use for finding particular things. So to do that, we just do differentiation of the answer to find out the required question, right? So what are the formula? What are the formula I use? The formulas are these. Integration of x power n into dx. The formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. How do we convince this is the formula for finding integration of x power n into dx? Do differentiation of this. Try doing the differentiation of this. What is the derivative of this? The answer is there. For the answer we find the differentiation. So it is n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 more n plus 1 is there plus c, the derivative of c is 0. N plus 1 cancel, x power plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x power n has come. So by the differentiation I can say that the integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Just like that I did it. So but the thing is you should remember the formula, right? Now if I ask you what is integration of x square into dx, it is x square with 2 plus 1 by x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, which is x cube by 3 plus c. If I ask you what is integration of x power 7 into dx, which is x power 7 plus 1, 8 by 8 plus c. The same formula is applied. Sometimes the question will be like this, x into integration of x into x square minus 1 into dx, integral of x into x square minus 1 into dx. I say I cannot do, just you multiply x into x square x into 1, x cube minus x into dx. Remember, it is a property that when two functions are written with plus or minus, you can split the integration. You can distribute the integration. It is a property, right? You distribute the integration. Integration of x cube dx minus integration of x dx. You can write like this. This is the starting you are listening, right? Okay, try to remember. So it is x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 minus x integration. What is the integration of x? The power of x is nothing is there, means 1 is there. So integration of x will be x power 2 by 2 plus c, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Now here you might have get a doubt, sir, integration you have done 2 times, so the plus c will come 2 times. When there is things like that, 2 times c is not required, directly you can write plus c, once it is enough. Integration constant will be written in the final answer only, not in between or not individually. For one question there will be plus c is enough. So these are the related questions on integration. Now also you can try to remember these things. So integration of 1 into dx is equal to x. Integration of k into dx is equal to kx. Here is plus c is compulsory. And integration of x into dx is equal to x squared by 2 plus c. So try remember, for the quick answers we just do these all formulas. These all questions, these all things we remember and we write as it is. Don't use the formulas. So over there we are getting this kind of situation. 1 integration is x, k integration is kx, x integration is x squared by 2. You have to get, I say you should get. And in the question you are facing, you should write the answer as it is. Quickly you should get it. And also I just forgot to tell you, when I use this symbol, this is integral sign. When I use this one, this is called indefinite integral sign. This is indefinite integral. Indefinite integral. It is not definite, it is indefinite. Reason, when I do integration of 2x into dx, I was telling since starting, 2x integration is x square plus c. It is indefinite integral. Why? The reason is, we do not know about the c. C can be 1, 2, 3, any real constant. That means x square or x square plus 1 or x square plus 2 or x square plus c plus 10, like that. Many answers are there. It is not definite, it is indefinite. That's why the process of finding the integration with plus c, whenever you are getting an answer, that time it is called indefinite integral. Then what is definite integral? The definite integral, finding the definite integral is nothing but you will be given with limits. Integration of some a to b will be given. Such things will be discussed in the later classes. There are two kinds of integrations we have. One is indefinite integral, another one is definite integral. Two parts are there in this integral chapter for us. One is indefinite, another one is definite integral. So indefinite integrals we are discussing. We are started with the introduction of indefinite integrals today. Right? In the quick formulas, just integration of x power n into dx, you remember as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Right? Next. What is the next thing is, so many formulas related to trigonometry we have in derivatives concept. Same way, I just write all the formulas related to derivative integrations of trigonometry. Just look at this. Right, see, what is integration of sin x into dx? Which is minus cos x plus c. What is integration of cos x into dx? Sin x plus c. What is integration of secant square x into dx, which is tan x plus c? What is integration of cosecant square x into dx, which is minus cot x plus c? What is integration of secant x tan x into dx? The answer is secant x plus c. What is integration of cosecant x cot x into dx? Which is, the answer is minus cosecant x plus c. These are the trigonometry related formulas. Why we can say like this? Because cos x derivative is sin x minus sin x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. That's why minus we put here. Minus cos x derivative will be plus sin x. Sin x derivative cos x. Tan x derivative secant square x. Minus cot x derivative is minus of minus cosecant square x. Secant x derivative secant x tan x. Minus cosecant x derivative minus of minus cosecant x cot x. So if you differentiate, you get this. So these are all formulae, not problems. You should get the answer as it is. Like whenever we get question based on this, you should say the answer as it is at a glance, not by recollecting or not by doing anything. So such a way you have to by heart. You have to remember. If you use many times in the problems these formula, you will be able to remember for a long time. But also we have formulas based on the inverse trigonometry, which are integration of 1 by root over 1 minus x square into dx is sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. What is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx? Tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. What is integration of dx by x root x square minus 1? I can even write this question as 1 by x root x square minus 1 into dx. That is also fine. Dx by also they can write. 1 into dx is dx. You can write even like this also. It is secant inverse x plus c or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. These are all formulas related to inverse trigonometry derivatives. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by root 1 minus x square. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Secant inverse x derivative 1 by x root x square minus 1. That's why we used these formulas, right? Similarly, integration of e power x into dx, e power x plus c, because e power x derivative is e power x. E power x derivative is e power x. So the integration of e power x is e power x plus. Integration of a power x into dx is a power x divided by log a plus c. If it is a power x derivative is a power x into log a power x integration is a power x by log a plus c. Remember that. Next, integration of 1 by x into dx will be log mod x plus c. So totally 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1 formula, which is integration of x power n into dx. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. These are the 11 basic formula. So 12, 13 basic formula. Also integration of 1 dx is x plus c. Integration of x dx is x squared by 2 plus c. Integration of any constant into dx is kx plus c. Try to get all these formulas. You must have all these formulas in your brain while doing the questions. Right? When I do the questions, I reuse the formulas like anything. So because the questions will be like that, after simplification we reach one of these formats, then you can answer. Right? The question will be given in different ways. There it is, simplification may be required, may not be required before differentiation. So most of the questions will be given. If you simplify, you get an answer. That answer can be integrated by yourself by using one of these formulas. Try to remember all these formulas. Right? And one more thing, if you are getting the question like this, it's a property, some basic things you should know which are not on the formula. See, integration of constant into f of x into dx is there. A constant is multiplied to a function f of x. That whenever it is there in this situation, you can take that constant outside of the integration. K integration f of x into dx. No problem. Okay. For example, integration of 4 sin x into dx they asked. Take 4 outside of the bracket, outside of the integration. sin x dx. We know very well sin x integration is minus cos x. Then finally you write plus c. The answer is minus 4 cos x plus c. You might have a doubt, sir, can I write like this? 4 into minus cos x plus c. Most of you get the doubt. If you write minus 4 into minus cos x plus c, you write minus 4 cos x plus 4c. Minus 4 cos x plus 4c, again you can write it as c, because c is a real number which should be a constant. It can be a constant. I can write instead of c, k, l, m, n. It must be constant, that's all. So however you write, not a problem, because you differentiate this, you get the same answer. So instead of taking 4c like that, we take only c. No issue. Because when you differentiate, it becomes 0. Differentiation of c constant is 0. Differentiation of 4 into constant is also a 0. So the property is here, stressing on that. Integration of k into f of x dx is k integration f of x dx. Constant will be taken out. Only when constant is multiplied by the function, you take the k outside of the integration. Okay. Now if there is like this, integration of f of x plus or minus g of x, two functions are integrated, we are integrating into dx. That is, when there is written to sum of two functions or difference of two functions, then you can individually integrate them. Plus or minus integration of g of x dx. Then write their answers. But plus c should be written with the final answer only. No need to write in between. Okay. So that's all. But when it is the product is there, f of x into g of x, f of x by g of x, we do not have right now. For the product, we have product rule. When it is f of x by g of x also, we have certain process to do it, but not formula. For the product, there is a formula, but there is a particular process for that. So before you learn the product rule, you will have to learn a lot about the integration, many simplifications you should learn. So these integrations are very important to be used. All the basic formula as well as these two. And one more very important thing. Listen. Very important thing. See. If it is integration of f of x into dx as f of x plus c. Integration of f of x into dx is f of x plus c. Okay. Then I can say that integration of f of some linear expression ax plus b into dx can be written as capital F of same linear expression ax plus b by a plus c. Here the thing is, you should remember x coefficient must be divided. Here x coefficient is 1, so no need to divide. But here x coefficient is a, it should be divided. Because the thing is, when I differentiate in the chain rule, I get ax plus b derivative into a should be multiplied. That will be cancelled. So this is very important thing to be remembered by you. So for example question you see, integration of cos 4x, integration of cos x into dx is sin x plus c, formula you see. Sin x plus c, the formula you see. So then if it is integration of cos 4x into dx, what is our answer? Cos 4x by 4 plus c, because the x coefficient should be divided with the help of this formula. If it is integration of cos 3 minus 2x into dx, it is cos, it is not cos, it should be sin. It should be sin. It is sin 4x by 4. Cos 3 minus 2x into dx, it is sin 4 minus 3 minus 2x by, minus 2 is the x coefficient, plus c. If it is e power minus x into dx, what is e power x? Integration e power x also, e power minus x, but x coefficient is minus 1 plus c. If it is integration of 1 by 3x plus 4, 1 by x integration is log x, so it is log mod 3x plus 4 by 3 plus c. Log mod 3x plus 4 by 3 plus, so x coefficient 3 is written here. Okay, so are you getting or not x coefficient how I am dividing? And also you need to get it out that, sir, when it is integration of 1 by x into dx, you are writing log mod x. Why the modular symbol we are writing here? Here no one knows that x value is positive or negative. Because x is a variable here. No one knows that x value is positive or negative. Are we doing from minus infinity to 0 the integration or 0 to infinity the integration? We do not know. So that is the reason we put log modulus x, because logarithm will not take negative values and 0. That's why we put mod x. Anyway 0 we cannot take for 1 by x. 0 we cannot take for 1 by x. So that is the reason it is log mod x, because x can be negative also. We do not know that. So also remember one more thing, which is not that thing, which is not that much important, but you should know the concept subject. That is the reason I am telling you. So whatever the function you are integrating, the function must be continuous in its domain. That means in the integration we are doing for the functions which are continuous in their domains. In the particular domain we are doing integration, they must be continuous. So we are also doing this indefinite integration in their particular domains only, not in according to our wish. Okay, for example, for x is equal to 0, this is not defined. I cannot take 1 by x into dx if x is equal to 0. Those all things will come in deep. So I'm not going more deep here. So I'm just stressing the basic layer, top layer. And also going on for the problem solving skills, I will explain you more. Try to understand. Okay. Let us do some problems based on the formula and based on the properties, based on the quick formula for quick answers, questions which I have given earlier. Let us do some problems related to that. So let us take the first question. What is integration of root x into dx? So when they ask root x, just till now I did not tell you what is integration of root x as a formula. Whereas derivative of root x is 1 by root x. Integration of root x is what? Integration of root x can be written as first root x, right, as x power 1 by 2 into dx. The formula which I told you for integration of x power n plus n into dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here n should not be equal to minus 1. That formula we can apply here, which is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by, so which is 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus. But if the question is given like this is directly we can apply the formula after writing root x as x power 1 by 2. If the question is like this, root x into 1 minus x into dx. You should not do root x integration, 1 integration, x integration, because the product is there in between. Notice that. So just write it as root x minus root x into x into dx. It is root x is x power 1 by 2 minus root x into x is x power 3 by 2 into dx. So then after that you can integrate individually. Integration of x power 1 by 2 into dx minus integration of x power 3 by 2 into dx. X power 1 by 2 integration, apply the formula same way like this. You get 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. What is x power 3 by 2 integration? Same formula, n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. You apply that, then you will get the answer. The fruit is in your hand now. 2 by 5, x power 5 by 2 will come plus c. Done. Okay, next one more question look at this. If it is there like this, integration of x square minus 2 whole square into dx. So you are integrating with respect to x, not with respect to x square. So you open that x square minus 2 whole square first. Okay, if I open that I get x power 4 plus 4 minus 4x square. A minus b whole square formula was applied. Then do integration of x power 4 into dx. Integration of 4 into dx minus integration of 4x square into dx individually. So x power 4 is x power 5 by 5 plus constant integration, constant into x minus 4 into a function, constant into a function, constant will be pulled out, minus 4 x square integration x cube by 3 plus 6 plus 6 should be written only once in the final answer. Okay, next one more question. See, if it is there like this, integration of x square minus 2x minus 3 by x plus 1. X square minus 2x minus 3 by x plus 1. Look at this into dx. See here there is no division rule. I was explaining it. You should not do integration of numerator by integration of denominator. You are not allowed to do that. Because if you are allowed to do that, integration will be very easy for you. You cannot do that. So for that you do factorize the numerator first. When I factorize the numerator, I get x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3. Quadratic expression factorization. Then you get the answer as x square, x common, it is x into x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. Just to factorize it is x plus 1 into x minus 3 by x plus 1 into dx. Then x plus 1 cancel. Now it is getting with x minus 3 is a unique function now. So what is x minus 3 integration? X integration is x square by 2 minus the constant into x. Constant integration is constant into x. So 3 integration is 3x plus c is the answer. These are algebra type questions. Sometimes the numerator by denominator is there. See that the numerator can be simplified in such a way that it can be expressed as in individual functions. Okay, so when it is whole square is there, it is x minus 2 whole square. Instead of giving like this, they give like this, x minus 2 whole square into dx. So directly you can write x minus 2 whole cube by whole 3 plus c. And if they give like this, look, integration of 2x plus 3 whole power 5 into dx. You can write this one as 2x plus 3 whole power 6 by 6 into 2 because the x coefficient should be multiplied in the denominator by a plus c. Like that we can do it because inside the power we are having here a linear expression. It is not quadratic, it is not cubic. If it is quadratic and cubic, you will have to open it. Otherwise certain processes are there, we will be discussing later. Right? Next. See one question, how many ways they ask. One question in how many ways they ask in the exam, you see that. Like this. See the very, I take only one formula and I explain in many ways can be done that formula. That question, see, integration of secant square x into dx. What is integration of secant square x into dx? Which is tan x plus. This is the formula. Integration of secant square x into dx is tan x plus c. Okay. Next, instead of integration of secant square x into dx, you can take tan x plus c. This is the formula. Okay. How they ask this one in exam? See, what is integration of 1 by cos square x into dx? Don't think that one integration, cos square integration like that. First try to see that 1 by cos square, how to write it. 1 by cos square is nothing but 1 by cos is the reciprocal of cos, that is secant. So 1 by cos square you can write it as secant square x into dx, which is nothing but tan x plus c. Done. See that? How they are asking? And then one more. See, integration of tan square x into dx. Actually, you know integration of secant square x, integration of cosecant square x, integration of secant x tan x, integration of cosecant x cot x. But tan square x integration, how to do it? Derivative means you can do 2 tan x into secant square x. But integration of tan square x. But to find out that tan square should be written with known things which we can do integration. So tan square is an identity. It is having an identity. Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 into dx. So integration of secant square x into dx minus integration of 1 dx. What is integration of secant square x? Tan x minus integration of 1 x plus c. See that how they are asking. Now one more question, look at it. What is integration of secant x tan x into dx? It is secant x plus c. This is the formula. This they ask. We get in the question like this only. In the question we get like this. Integration of, what is integration of sin x by cos square x? You try to know that. Sin x by cos square x is nothing but secant x tan x only. Writing secant as 1 by cos, tan as sin by cos, you get this. So immediately you can write this one as secant x tan x dx, which is answer secant x plus c. Okay, similarly one more. Integration of cos x by sin square x. What is integration of cos x by sin square x means? You can write it as cosecant x cot x. Cosecant x cot x integration is minus cosecant x. The way we are writing it is important. Cos x by sin square x is writing cosecant x into cot x because cosecant is 1 by sin. Cot x is sin cos x by sin x. Cos by sin square x. Now one more question. Integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x. How to integrate it? 1 by 1 plus cos x, you rationalize the denominator. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x into dx. Then you get 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos square x into dx. There I am doing that question. See, look at this. 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos square x into dx, which can be written as, here I will say, 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos square x is sin square x into dx. So now split the fraction. 1 by sin square x minus cos x by sin square x. Now what is 1 by sin square x? Cosecant square x. Minus what is cos x by sin square x? Cosecant x cot x into dx. Now apply the formulas. Cosecant square x integration is minus cosecant minus cot x. Cosecant x cot x integration is minus cosecant x. That is the another alternate way for this one. Look, it can be written as integration 1 plus cos x has got a formula. That is 2 cos square x by 2. So the 1 by 2 is the constant full out. And 1 by cos square x by 2 is nothing but secant square x by 2. Which is equal to 1 by 2 into what is secant square x by 2? Secant square theta and secant square x integration is tan x. So which is tan x by 2, but x coefficient is 1 by 2. Cancel 1 by 2. So the answer is tan x by 2 plus c. You will get it out now. Sir, here we are getting minus cot x plus cosecant x plus c. Here we are getting tan x by 2 plus c for the same question. So after simplification of this one, you get this one. So no need, no problem. So in integration the answers may be different, but after simplification finally they lead to the same answer. So there are many processes for finding integration of particular functions. This is the starting, what we did. So later on we will increase the speed. We do many questions so that you will be getting more practice. When you do more practice on integration, you use more times the formulas, more logic will be there. The logic you will understand. And when you understand the logic, you will do yourself. You will not require any help. So try to work hard, keep working, do more hard work, and take more problems and do more practice so that you will become good and very perfect in integration chapter. Thank you so much.